Hello बच्चों, let us read the question. In the following questions, a statement of assertion A is followed by a statement of reason R. Assertion is, in Doppler's effect, the value of apparent frequency depends on relative motion between source and the observer. और reason है, the change in frequency in Doppler effect is independent from the distance between the source and the observer. So in this question जो हम की concept use करने वाले हैं वो है the key concept is of Doppler's effect. मतलब कि हम यहाँ पे जो source और observer के बीच की relative motion के बारे में study करने वाले हैं. So the key concept is Doppler's effect. So in assertion में क्या given है कि apparent frequency depend करती है relative motion between source and observer. So apparent frequency f dash a is equal to frequency into v plus minus velocity of observer divided by v plus minus velocity of source. So यहाँ पे जो velocity of observer और जो velocity of source है वो दोनों relative velocities हैं. Thus we can say that कि apparent frequency जो है वो relative motion between source and observer पे depend करती है. Therefore जो हमारे पास assertion given है वो true हो जाएगा. अब हम reason देख लेते हैं. Reason में given है कि जो Doppler effect है वो distance between source and observer से independent है. अब जो हमने apparent frequency देखी थी, apparent frequency relative velocity of observer और relative velocity of source पे depend करती है. तो यहाँ पे कोई relation नहीं है distance का. Therefore हम कह सकते हैं कि apparent frequency does not depend on distance. So जो reason हमें given है कि Doppler effect is independent from the distance वो reason true है. But जो reason है वो correct explanation नहीं है. Therefore option 2 is the correct answer. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.